What's going on, guys? Gang, we're back for yet another video, and today finally figured out how to do a cochise type beat. Yes, I somehow managed to do it. Yeah, I think you guys are gonna like it. So don't forget, make sure you follow me on Instagram. I got a brand new Instagram. Don't forget to also join the Discord. All right, I'm doing my library critiques through there. So when I do my streams, send your beats to the Discord, and yeah, so make sure you join that. And also, obviously, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the video. All right, so I started making this cochise beat with citrus. I know a lot of people say use purity or use serum, but you know, I don't have that right now, so I'm gonna use citrus. It just has a pretty nice like pads and leads, I should say, not pads, they're leads. So this is what I got so far. It's like, so there's that sound, and then there's also, there's another one I was playing with. Where is it? Oh yeah, this one's nice. You know, before I kind of want to make a melody, so I'm gonna just like.
A few moments later.
Let's replace this with or what's it called? Citrus again, because I trust citrus. Citrus has like pretty decent sounds. Let me add a bell because I have some. Nah. This flange preset is a little slow. This is like, I like this. We're gonna layer that. Citrus again. Where's citrus, man? Okay, we're gonna add reverb to that. I'm gonna use my own free reverb. Okay. Okay, got another melody. Got yet another melody. perfect. Okay, this is turning out to be pretty good. I'm gonna have to EQ some stuff later because like it's kind of like just in your face right now. But you know what? Don't worry about it. Let me just. I'm just gonna. I don't know why I feel like doing the hi-hats right now, but I'm gonna do it anyway. I'm gonna make them pretty simple. I don't really care. Alright, now we're gonna add some 808s because I am taking too long. I'm just gonna add these. I'm just gonna add the tail on 808s. Like, let's just do it. Okay, wait a minute. This is just really quiet, I think. Let me add a kick too. Let me just add a kick. I don't know if you're supposed to add a kick or not, but I don't care. I like kicks and I'm gonna add it. So yeah. I might change it out a little bit, but like for now I'm just gonna, you know what I'm saying? Okay. Let's just like add some wave shaper. You know, they need to be heard. feel like adding that. Let me just. I don't think I need. Okay, let me add free software to the master. Alright, you know what? I'm gonna end it there. I'm gonna end the video there. It's all pretty decent. I'm kind of pleased with it. I feel like I could have done a little bit more, but you know what? It is what it is. I'm tired. Hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. Join the Discord. All that stuff. And I'm gonna see y'all next time. Peace.